Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to custom Microsoft Outlook ringtone on Android. But before it, I'll have you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first here, of course you just have to open the Outlook. And after in this page, go to the account icon at the top left in the corner of your phone. Now at the bottom you will see the gear icon, which is the settings. Just go ahead. And after in this settings page, you just have to scroll it down until we'll find here the notifications. To custom your ringtone on Microsoft Outlook, you have to make sure that the notification here is turned on, yeah guys, like this. For the toggle or the button beside the alert notification is turned blue. So if you wanna change or if you wanna custom the ringtone, you just have to choose which sound or which ringtone for the new email or for the sent email sound. For example, here I'm going to change for the new email sound. I'm going to tap on it. And now you just have to scroll it down again until we find here the ringtone. And I use the application default ringtone, you guys. Tap on it now. And to change it, you just have to scroll it down and find out the ringtone or the sound that you want. This is the sound that provided by devices, guys. So here, for example, I'm going to change it to the joy. And now go to back. And it will save automatically, guys. For the send email sound here, you can do it as a similar way. So yeah, I think it's enough from me guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below. And I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.